Welcome back, guys. So today we have the 4th TFC of the year in for the TH treatment. Don't know what a TFC is. It's like a standard bobber but with lots of special bits, upside down forks, big brakes. We've got the billet yokes going on, we've got carbon wide wheels, the exhaust, we're all going to find out together what's going on that. Upright handlebars and a passenger seat as well, so I think it's going to be a really cool bike, so stay tuned to see how we go. Jodie's away on a business trip, as usual, so I'm doing the voiceovers today. This TFC's come in, it's done 2,500 miles, doesn't look like it at all. It's a very, very clean bike. I absolutely love these TFCs. Anyway, let's get all this stripped off. I'm going to be replacing each of these bolts with raw titanium, hex heads, dome heads. It's going to look awesome.
Whoa. Whoa.
Had a delivery.
Whoa!
This is why I couldn't put anything together.
Someone said...
Because I had no bolts to bolt on our bolt-on parts.
Wow. That is a great showcase.
Like jewellery. Okay, we'll put some yokes in.
Nice.
Transferred the plaques, 312, 750. We've also got risers on this.
Wow.
And then we've got carbon wheels. We've gone for Power Cup 2 Michelins, which are super rare at the minute. They're really hard to get hold of. And then to finish it off, race drill titanium. We've got lots of trick bits fitted, like our chain guard and engine plaques, all fitted with titanium bolts. I'm still waiting on a front tyre.
Oh yeah.
I've got some things to be getting on with. I've got the rest of the engine bolts to do.
This is real cool.
Yeah, we've got
TFC. All TFCs need this, to be honest.
Matching rear caliper to the front calipers.
Yeah, with our Thornton Hundred billet brake holder. That is so tough.
Of course you need that.
Just blink.
You've got side mount, and then also what every build that comes out of here,
or is built by Jodie in person in the USA.
CNC exhaust clamps.
These are a massive upgrade visually, I personally think.
Yes. We were going to find out together what exhaust, and customer has decided to stay with the standard exhaust, which I think is cool.
I don't blame him for that.
Yeah.
The TFC standard exhaust is very cool.
So you can have a loud looking bike and not a loud exhaust.
Oh, you've been on it.
All the remaining titanium bolts, as you saw in the time lapse. Handlebars are on.
With the risers and the bar and indicators.
Yeah. What I did, we fitted the Brembo rear caliper.
Yeah.
There you go. Brembo rear caliper with the Hell brake line to match the front Brembos.
Shout out Hell, the boys.
Yeah.
My name is Bling Bling.
Nice.
Only the rear bling bling.
Oh, rapid detailer Thornton Hundred. Where can they get that? Wow. Armour Violet.
Quick detailer, but also lubes up tyres real nice and smells delicious.
Top tips with Evan.
Evan's got the heel turbo tire machine.
Man, this is going to be a cool looking bike.
Yeah, man. What do you say?
We'll get the wheels in the bike then.
Yeah, buddy. We back, baby.
Back.
Whoa! Wow. Let's address the allegations right now about this, because this is a diabolical amount of allegations that we get.
First of all, you missed the transition where I got a haircut.
Oh, he didn't. You got really long hair right now. Look. From
So we were going to put the wheels in.
commercial.
It's the most safety critical part we do. There's a block about that big.
Yeah. And Evan,
This is the expense.
it's because there's lots of passenger seat options on the market that have zero testing. This can stand, what, 2,000 kgs or something ridiculous of force on
We
it.
broke the suspension before this failed. We're going to put the wheels on hold and we're going to fit this. What we've never done before is put a statement seat
Wow,
on with a passenger seat.
that's pretty cool.
Most people, it's not their favourite thing to sit on in the world.
Some people like
They
it.
look cool.
Like BMW on top of that. You probably craft is probably over 2 tons.
2 ton. What do you have to say about the ones that fold up, that are removable
Yeah.
super easily?
At what point does it go through plastic deformation and kill your passenger? Well, I can get one online and it folds up. Okay. Tell your wife that when she's cheese grating herself down the M1.
Next setup that we have here, it's a modular system. You can
Yeah.
cowling,
I would show you how that works,
but they're setting.
but they're still just bonding in.
You can show us Trimmy D's little trim up though, can't you? Wow.
It's pretty good. Obviously this has had a few bums on it, so once this has had a few bums on it, it will do locating pins there,
Yeah.
stop that from moving at all. That way forwards and
Show us
backwards.
the locating pins again, sorry.
There,
Yeah, cool.
there.
Yeah.
And then these are neodymium magnets.
Silly.
They have something like 8 kilos of force per magnet. Put it this way, I put 2 together and it pinched my finger, and the only way I could get my finger out was by just pulling, so it pulled all the skin off my finger.
Brilliant.
You have to watch your fingers when you put that on. It needs support further back. That's actually designed to carry 120 kilos maximum.
So we brace this.
Yep. So fitting up the passenger seat arms, these mount to the frame, which just ties it all in, which gives it all of its strength. Doing some of my usual cable management, getting everything ready to put the wheels in. Should we get some paint on?
It's not been painted, has it?
Well, yeah, sorry. Should we get some tank and side panels on?
Yes.
They don't need redoing, do they?
They look sick.
Yeah.
I think the TFC paint's cool, man.
We haven't painted this bike, and to be honest, I don't think it needs it. with the exposed carbon and that effect across the top of the tank, it really pops off.
Evan's gonna do a trend, guys. Watch this.
Am I?
That's how we're gonna reveal it.
There you go.
Whoa! See him? Inspired by. Yeah.
Well,
Snap.
check the snap.
That ain't going anywhere. Wow. I like that we can have a conversation with this.
Yeah.
I think there's enough marketing. Wow. Whoa. Look at it, man. Yeah. Wow.
And this is perfect.
Way nicer, yeah.
Yeah, the seat's not too bad, right?
Is it? See a long ride, you'd hurt, but nice.
Cool.
Nice. Cool, man. Well, hopefully the sun comes out, we get some photos.
Yeah, because it's
But-
currently rained for a week and a half non-stop. So the TFC, as it is standard, is an upgrade over the standard bobber, but it didn't have enough road presence. So here it is. Cool, right, there we go, guys. So, I absolutely love this bike. This looks so cool. Super happy with how it's come out. Unfortunately, can't take it out where there's stop play, so just photos and stuff in here. But anyway, let us know what you think. Hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll catch you on the next one. Like and subscribe.